Relativity. Is anyone here a relative? What? Does anyone here have a brother or a sister? Then all of you are relatives? Who here has just one brother or sister, and that brother or sister is younger than you? Yeah, you have a brother or a sister? Well, which one? A brother or a sister? You have a brother, and your brother is younger than you? And you have no other brothers or sisters? Very good. What is your name? Latanya, I have a very important question. Were you a sister before your brother was born? No! You cannot be a sister all by yourself. Your being a sister depends upon your brother being born. It depends on something else. That is what the word relative means. To need something else.